hurry, aren't you, buddy? You know, rushing can lead to poor meal choices.
Hey, get off my hood, man!
Sure thing. Look, I gotta let you know, even through your busy day, you have better choices than this garbage.
I know I want to eat healthy. I just don't really know I have enough time.
Well, let's see if that statement holds true in this edition of... Do you really have time for that?
Wow, what amazing effects.
It's just a dissolve, man. Don't pump yourself up. Now, on average, most Americans work somewhere between 37 to 40 hours a week, which works out to be about 7 to 8 hours a day.
40 hours a week? That's like forever.
It's a long time, but that still leaves us with a few more hours in the day. Most of us think we don't have the time after work, but the time is most likely being taken up by some sort of recreational activity, like television, games, or sports.
Love me some football.
With that in mind, where can we fit in the time to eat healthy? Well, there's one major thing that can help us here, and that is...
Unpaid manservants?
No, I'm talking about food prep. It's a practice where you make a large quantity of food at one time so you don't have to worry about cooking again for a whole week. This has become super popular in recent years and helps millions of people eat healthy on a tight schedule. The process is simple. Plan a few recipes, pick a day or time that you're free, cook the amount of food you estimate will last you and your family the entire week, and then just portion them out.
That sounds great and all, but what if someone doesn't have a day off? I mean, I have kids.
Not to worry. There are a ton of healthy recipes that can be made in a matter of minutes.
Really? Can you show me how to make some, mister?
I sure can. What are you doing?
Next level.
So, that's just a few ideas of the food you can make on your busy schedule.
You know, I didn't know that healthy food was this easy to make.
It definitely is, and there are many more things you can do at home to suit your taste and your lifestyle. I'm Frank Bookhardt. Stay healthy and eat well. It's time for you to go back where you came from.